Just red.
And what's it called? Eruption powder red. And what's this one called? Eruption powder B.
What?
Okay.
So we're gonna we're putting one teaspoon. Yep, 1 teaspoon of A and 1 of B. What do you think we're gonna do after we mix them together?
Yeah. That'd be great.
Or after we put them in the glass? It says we're gonna mix them all together. Okay. What do you think we should do next? It says we should put it into the volcano. Take a picture.
Got it.
It says to slowly pour in the water.
What's that?
And here it goes. There it goes. Take a picture. Oh yeah, it is kind of fizzling.
That's okay.
There comes the lava.
Whoa!
You gotta
Erase
give us
is
the
on.
instructions. What do we do next once we've mixed
I
this
don't
up?
know.
What did we do the last time?
Put that in.
Right. So we fill this one up.
And that one?
That one's already filled, ready to go. So, are you going to squirt the vinegar in that one?
Yeah, you have to go back.
Okay, I'll go back.
No, you have to go back.
Oh, what? Are you scared of them?
Remember, this one has to go. That one has to go
Do you
back.
okay? Do
Yeah.
you want
Are
to
you
do
ready? Are you going to put the stuff in?
this one or that one?
I think this one.
Okay, hold on. Squirt it in.
Yeah, squirt it in. Nothing happening?
I'm gonna put it in.
Now you
You
can
pour it in that one.
That
You want me to
one?
pour it in this one too? Same time?
Whoa!
And here comes the red one.
Oh, here comes the red one.
That
Because wow, did you pour it fast? Well, this one will keep going for a bit.
That actually looks super cool on the outside of the.
one wins.
Whoa!
Make it orange.
It's still bubbling.
And that one isn't.
Yeah.
Like
We're supposed to mix it till we make. Did we already put the dish soap in?
Hey, that's
Yeah.
gonna turn blue.
Are we getting some bubbles yet?
Yep.
Looks like bubbles to me.
Yep, me too.
Must be ready.
Yep. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Okay.
I'm gonna be first.
Number 90, okay.
Yes.
I'm filming it.
Okay, I'll move it up in the middle a little bit more. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you go here. Yeah, pull your chair closer. There. Okay, do it slowly, and let's see if we can get it to explode.
Ready, set,
Ready, set, go. There.
blue.
That one went really cool.
Good. Yeah, and that's keeping on going slower. Yeah, that's nice.
Let's
What are you gonna do? A
count
big countdown? Really big countdown this time.
Because it's the last. It's the last one.
Last one.
1, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
So the more
Oh,
soap,
purple is
The
the
bigger
bigger
the
the
nice.
bubbles.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was cool, and less soap, the foamier it is. See, we're learning.
Yeah, we're science.
No, look at you scientists.
Oh
This
my
is really fun. This is cool.
Say bye-bye for today.
No, I'm
Say bye-bye for the day.
Say bye-bye for today for the other kids.
Say signing
This is-
off.
This is how you
This
make
is-
millions.
This is how you make your money on YouTube.
No.